Yeah, third, like right here, like third.
That's how they get their day.
Don't be too excited up here.
I'm crippled constantly.
Chantel. Huh? He's getting hit, but he wants to set it. Huh? He's getting tapped, but he wants to set it.
Oh, just let it, let it.
We get teased.
You can try it, go for it, go for it.
You can even hold it, bro, in your hand. Oh,
right there, right
yeah,
there.
Go, real, real, real. Feel it? Go back down.
I'm just saying.
Touch the bottom, you could. So touch the bottom, even if you tap, like, tip it off the bottom of your... Yeah, that's it. Yeah, hella.
I don't set them either. I just set them. I just really. Well, also, we were.
Alright, now I'm taking
That's what we can turn on this little chime right now, too. Anything that's small.
It's a pink line.
And every color.
Does she know everything there?
Well, the only thing God, don't do it.
Like she didn't know.
Monica was
Girl, what you doing now? What is it what you catch? Bite it. Grab it.
just throw it in the bag.
Where are your feet?
Dono, you want coffee?
Kiss it, kiss it, kiss it.
Wait, I want to
Yeah, I'll take some.
Throw it in a side shake.
Yeah.
Let me rub my head on this one.
You're just
There's
using this towel.
six in the bag. There's a right there. If you want to rinse off your hair. Huh?
And then what did that? They never said anything like that. They just said like. What did they find out? Like after that?
It smells like pescado.
They were like
I love that. That's how you fish in the pond.
I think we went.
Yeah, I love. You know, fuck it, baby. This is my fishing jacket from now on. I'm
No.
like,
That's a cute jacket.
Use this for air. Use the community rig. Remember.
no, I'm not touching that. That shit definitely my back out.
It'll sometimes make me teach like.
Go back down. 'Cause they're gonna think it's new. Watch. 10 fish right now.
I'm gonna catch that.
Oh yeah, we went and spent it in May.
She's like
Salsa?
Slightly bigger.
Was that like yesterday or is it you guys like same?
Yeah, I'm not going to this one.
There's the same like this stuff that she a bunch of different stuff. So that's when we started figuring stuff out. And then she was telling me. So then we started. And then the whole like that. So all that just like came over the line and we're like, oh, and
Bro, that's a good catch right
Yeah.
there, bro. That's what we needed right there. That's the type of catch we needed, bro.
All that happened.
Top
So
of
that
the
we were just going through all that, and what's that shit on my?
Actually, that's
I'm not gonna go on the drive either.
Take off like a couple minutes after.
That's weird. That's more weird. Like,
yeah, that's like. No, that one's like weird. So close. I come with you. What do you like? Yeah.
because I always miss it. My like honestly,
Pop right off.
this one.
Well, bro, there's these things I use. The things I use for the I'll just show them to you now. They're like big ass, like it's like literally like a hood, but it's like in a circle. And so I'll throw that one out there, bro. And they set themselves.
Oh, I think it was that one.
I think it was that one.
Yeah, bro, the fish from it'll like turn the hook in its
I know.
mouth
I
and
was
set
like,
itself.
too. I was like, little stalker too. Like, which one was it?
I think it was that one. Yeah, it was that. Yeah. These ones like, I just look like. Oh, we're gonna find all the soccer quick. But they
Fine. Thank you, Samba.
Good, sir.
Thank you, I don't know. That shit. I'm like sit that motherfucker.
I'm sitting there.
Oh yeah, put that.
So leave it in the same spot without the back. Ooh, we're doing Edith,
I got here about an hour ago. I'm over there.
Sure, my ass.
What, the birds?
Get it. Yeah. Keren.
Kapain eh?
Ha?
Kapain wala. Kapain?
Wala.
Can't get more.
Gusto niyo? Mapain? Gusto niyo? Wala yung kon lang? Si Vicky?
You're a hater, man. Hater.
I didn't say it first.
Oh my god, you follow like that? I don't bring them in, so they start jumping like crazy. So already you put them in the bag? Like right there.
Oh, you can see it. Come and steal your fish off your line. You'll be like,
Really? Is it? Let it back down. Just open it and let it pop right down. And then back how it looks. Make sure that way it's touching the bottom. Open it and let the string drop. Okay.
not the blood.
Oh, is that what it is?
kayo naman.
Ah,
Hindi na kayo.
Tuesday.
Wala na.
Look at my tire.
Yeah, neither am I.
I'm just a little like.
Like, next time, you could just send the car to one. I'll try.
Oh, I like Smash.
Are you using bait, Papa? No, just feather, huh?
Just the video.
Yeah, they like it, huh?
Yeah.
Good, man. You catch a lot of mackerel today?
No,
Just the ones right now?
yeah.
They just started biting, huh? That's good. Just no bait. We're just started out there.
I knew about the road. Look at that. One of my brother's friends. So I knew about the road. I've been this road before. But I thought it was just like a road.
Did I broke
And
it?
then that's like, that's what it's right. And I'm like,
I got the nice house. They got off the metal where it goes to the train.
like, who's this thing?
They sit like at an angle and it makes it kind of dizzy.
Like, everybody knows.
I was make sure they sit like at a
That ain't gonna work for me.
not gonna sleep. Everybody can start jumping.
Like, I'm like, I like to know that I know that they like.
I feel like I should be allowed to have beer. Right? They listen to me.
It's actually
That's
good.
out here. So
I think it's also because the only one.
Where would the people get those shits at? At the tent?
I think so.
It's
Yeah.
just, I have these bad.
oh, see, I knew this shit.